drafted number one in the regular draft. So it was a weird it was a at first when they were starting to announce how different the draft was going to be. There was going to be a Gilas draft, which essentially sila talaga yung first round, no? And then there was going to be a regular draft. Um, my dad, our family is a devout Christian, so a big part of our lives is our faith in Jesus Christ. So um, parang before even going to college in the States, he was saying na I feel like you're gonna be the number one draft pick. So at then I didn't believe it kasi parang okay, I felt like coming out of high school and college, parang I felt like I still had a lot of room to improve. And then somehow, some way, my dad and I just laughed about it kasi nagkaroon ng special Gilas draft and then regular draft. So dun sa regular draft, naging number one nga talaga. So parang, I know that essentially it's a second round pick, but we were just laughing and we're grateful na I still had that experience of sort of being called the number one draft pick, and I'm grateful to God that somehow that was all possible. So yeah, it was a very surreal feeling during the draft. My family was there, everyone was there, and I will never forget that.